here. And now, today, you can start with another project. We call them Fassungsbuchse. And I will see what you have learned yesterday. It's an easy drawing. And we start. I show you at first how do you start with this project. And then you will try it. Try to draw this with AutoCAD. Okay?
Okay.
Yesterday you learned something, you learned drawing, you learned delete and so on, copy, the mirror and so on. You remember?
Yes.
Yes?